Oh, it feels really great, something that I always wanted an opportunity to play for a club of this stature, and now I'm here and I want to take my chance and try to deliver as much as I can for the club. This is really the conversation that I had with the manager that really convinced me the most. The plans and how he wanted to rebuild the club, and he wanted me to be a part of it, so I'm grateful for the chance. For me, it's all about winning. I want to win, and now I'm in a club where winning is the most important thing. So for me, it's just something that it's inside of me. So I just want to win, and I want to help my teammates deliver a win game in, game out. I'm a goal scorer. I always scored goals in my career. Also in Europe, when I played in Europa League, my record is really good. So now I think the Champions League is the next stage where I have to prove myself, and the club wants to do well in the Champions League as well. So it's good for us. No, not really. I'm different. Drogba is more a holder player, target man. I'm more a player that has the ball to feel, runs in behind. So that's something that we are really totally different at. And I'm Romelu Lukaku. At the end of the day, I want to create my own history, and I'm at Manchester United. He was at Chelsea. That's a difference.